I keep being asked, a few people struggle with putting the windows on the I Spy bag. So all I'm going to quickly do is show you how to turn it through. You've got your two pieces of material that are sewn good sides together, and then you sew whatever shape it happens to be round. The difficulty people are having is turning that bit to that bit. So all I'm going to do is show you how. Literally cut the middle out. It's exactly what you're supposed to be doing. I use pinking shears because I'm a lazy sewer and it's quick and easy. If you're doing a shape that's got it down to a point, just make sure you clip into the point of the heart or the stars really carefully. Don't clip through your sewn stitches, otherwise your item's going to come apart. All I'm doing is taking out the middle piece, ready for me to turn it through. Okay, so it's really roughly done. Okay, so that's the middle bit all cut out. So you're going to be left with that. Then all you do is you peel your corner off like that and push it through. And do the same to all four corners. It helps if you pin it, it will hold it in place. And once it's pressed, it will look crisp and as it's supposed to be. I'm going to pin that one. Pin the next one. See, it's starting to take shape now. Once all four corners are through, it will look like that, and as soon as you've pressed it, it's going to get the nice crisp finish ready for you to then put your window on. So hopefully that will help any of you struggling. If you've got any more questions though, not a problem to get in touch.